A classic chicken curry made in just 20 minutes, quick, effortless, but as delicious as ever. Join me and Mum in the Burmawala kitchen as we whip up this beauty in no time. We start with 500 grams of chicken breast, cut into nice bite-sized chunks. To this, we add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of danya jeera, 1 tablespoon of whole zeera, and a tablespoon each of ginger and garlic. Give it all a quick mix. No need to marinate, this is a fast-track curry, but trust me, the flavors will still be incredible. In a cooking pot, bring a 1/4 cup of oil to medium heat. Then toss in a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 4 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, 2 bay leaves, a teaspoon of cloves, and a teaspoon of black peppercorns. Fry them for just a minute until they release their glorious aromas, and your kitchen starts smelling like a proper spice bazaar. But keep an eye on it. Burnt spices equal bitter curry, and we're not having that today. Now in goes our seasoned chicken. Straight in, no messing about. We're giving it a good sear, locking in all that flavors, and making sure each piece gets coated in those fragrant spices. Fry it for around 5 minutes. Remember, chicken breast cooks fast, and this whole curry is done in 20. Look at that gorgeous color developing already. After 5 minutes, we add 3 tablespoons of tomato puree and 1 cup of crushed fried onions. No need to stand around frying onions at the start. This trick makes everything so much quicker. Stir it all together, making sure the tomato cooks in properly and the fried onions blend into the curry. Keep an eye on the heat, as we're using minimal oil, and the spices can catch at the bottom if left unattended. If it looks a little dry, don't be shy. Add a splash more oil. Once everything has come together beautifully, it's time to pour in a large mug of water. Make sure to pour it from the side so we don't wash away all those deep, rich flavors we've just built. Now, mix it all in and watch as the curry starts thickening up almost instantly. Thank you, fried onions. Let it gently come to a boil, pop the lid on, and cook for just 5 minutes. And just like that, 5 minutes later, the oil has risen to the top and the curry is looking fantastic. The color, the consistency, it's all spot on. Time for the final touch. A generous handful of fresh coriander, because let's be honest, most curries taste better with it. And there you have it, our classic chicken curry, made effortlessly in 20 minutes. A few simple ingredients, a bit of spice magic, and we've got a dish that's better, and definitely faster, than ordering a takeaway. This one's mild enough for the whole family to enjoy and perfect for meal prepping. It freezes beautifully and reheats like a dream. Oh, and a quick reminder. Following the amazing response to our last video, we're keeping the competition going. Every comment on the video within the first 48 hours gets entered into a random prize draw for a free packet of our incredible spice blend delivered anywhere in the UK. Thanks again for all the support. You lot are brilliant. As always, full ingredients and instructions are in the description below. Happy cooking!